The Hazara Stud Farm is one of India's most prolific stud farms, based in Haryana. This farm is the dream project of former Haryana Revenue Minister Nirmal Singh, who is a great horse racing enthusiast.
मैं गांव का ही रहने वाला हूं, पास ही मेरा नेटिव विलेज है जहां आपने मेरा घर देखा, तो वहीं के हम रहने वाले हैं, फार्मर हैं। मेरे फादर तो टीचर थे, बल्कि राजनीति में तो कोई नहीं था, मैं ही आया हूँ। और 82 में इलेक्ट हुआ था, राजीव गांधी मुझे लेके आए थे, संजय गांधी जी के हम चेले थे, तो यही परिवार हमें लेके आया है। इंदिरा जी के साथ रहा करते थे 77 में, फिर संजय जी के साथ, फिर राजीव गांधी जी ने मुझे 82 में फिर चुनाव लड़ने का मौका दिया। At that time I was youngest in the house. I became an MLA in the age of 27 only.
And of course, it comes as no surprise that Nirmal Singh has old school family values.
इम्पोर्टेंस फैमिली को तो जी मैं तो बहुत देता हूँ जी। मैं तो जो फैमिली कल्चर है, जो परिवार में लोग मिलजुल के रहते हैं, जो पुराना चला रहा था कि फैमिलीज इकट्ठी रहती हैं, बहुत लोग उसमें इकट्ठे रहते हैं, मैं तो उसी को पसंद करता हूँ।
The stud farm was operating on a modest scale, located in Ambala. In the last few years though, Mr. Nirmal Singh has made a serious effort to make a very big splash on Indian racing by going in for massive expansion. His son, Chetak Singh, who has returned back to India after a stint in Kentucky, invited the RWITC.com team to visit the farm and get to know how hands-on the entire breeding operation is.
These are like the first paddocks that we made. So this is the first big paddock of our farm also. We have lucerne on most of it. We grow it for our own farm and everyday consumption, it's like this way we can revive the paddock and we give it break for like 6 months or a year. We get better grass also after a year and you nourish it for a year and stuff like that. It's good for horses. I mean, Dad has more knowledge about it. He's been a farmer all his life.
It takes more than just money to turn barren land into plush paddocks and top-level breeding and farming land. It takes a know-how that only a man whose roots are firmly embedded in the soil can ever have.
मैं फार्मर हूँ और मुझे शुरू से ही शौक था घोड़ों का, खासकर। ये तो ज़िंदगी मेरे कबूतर, कुत्ते, हर तरह के जानवर, मोंकी तक मेरे घर में रहे हैं। लेकिन जब मैं पॉलिटिक्स में अभी 82 से पहले जब मैं इलेक्ट हुआ फर्स्ट टाइम, तो घर में हमारी घोड़ी हुआ करती थी, मुझे उससे बड़ा लगाव था, लैला नाम था उसका। सो वहीं से मेरे मन में थी कि मैं कभी घोड़ों में जाऊंगा।
Nirmal Singh is a man who understands the value of a team, and at the Hazara Stud Farm, his team is treated like family. Hazara Stud's first stallion import, Rebuttal, was almost like a godsend to this farm, as his progeny started picking up serious races all over the country. The expectation came with more regularity, but Rebuttal firmly established himself in the Indian stud book as a very serious player in the horse breeding game.
जिस शर जो बच्चे पैदा हो रहे हैं उसमें रिबटल के बहुत ज़्यादा है। वो ब्रीडर का लालच हो ही जाता है कि रिबटल का नाम हो रहा है तो ज़्यादा पैदा कर लेता हूँ, बेच दूंगा, काम चल जाएगा कुछ।
A new stallion who now boosts the very well performed Broodmare band is American Group 1 winner Dancing Forever. This equine beauty is an attractive chestnut Group 1 winning son of Rahi. His stature and conformation is eye-catching and he seems to have blessed his progeny with his natural strong bone.
पद्मानम ने मुझे खरीद के दिया जी वो ऑस्ट्रेलियन ये डांसिंग फॉर एवर दिस इज ग्रुप 1 विनर और राही का है तो पेडिग्री से भी बहुत ऊंचा है और उसके जो बच्चे उसने जो थ्रो किए हैं आई हैव 28 बेबीज फ्रॉम डांसिंग फॉर एवर परफेक्ट बेबीज बेटर देन रिबटल्स बेबी इन आज तक लुकिंग देखने में और वेरी हैंडसम हॉर्स आर थ्रोइंग बेबीज लाइक हिम.
A number of got abroad mares purchased primarily in the popular Goff sale has added to the strength of the mares at Hazara Stud Farm this year.
This Mulag, she came from Ireland to our farm in 2008. She is dam of Shivalik Hero. And this foal, Chestnut Colt, just 2 days old, is half brother to Shivalik Hero. He is by Dancing Forever.
While the stud farm based in Ambala hosts the stallions and is used primarily for covering operations, a new farm has been added to the ever-growing young stock at Belgad, which is on the banks of the Yamuna River. The sprawling stud farm is flanked on 3 sides by forests and on the other side by the Yamuna River itself. The paddocks are easily the best and biggest in India, with an average size of about 20 acres and the largest paddock being about 100 acres. With total acreage at this farm reaching approximately 600 acres, this could well be India's largest stud farm. Another very unique facility available at the Hazara Stud Farm is the breaking in of the yearlings. Mr. Nirmal Singh himself recognizes almost every single yearling and supervises the breaking in process himself.
This is rhythm and blues. Full brother to Zamoran. Full brother to Zamoran. This is Celtic memories. इसकी जो मदर है वो सेल्क्रिक की बेटी है आयरलैंड से हमने ली थी. ये घोड़ा है काबू बिना. Full brother to this is half brother to Vijayadamni.
A vigilant eye and a farmer's hand is all it takes for these young horses to develop into future racehorse champions. Big expectations look spectacular when backed up by even bigger results, and the racing fraternity is already sitting up and taking notice. The Hazara Stud Farm is definitely on its way up.